हाय एवरीवन. वॉल्टर बाब किधे रे? पिसं झाला रे तू. व्हॉट्स रॉंग विथ यू मॅन? वाय आर यू गोइंग अँड टेकिंग आउट इश्यूज मॅन? दे अरेस्टेड यू नो. बाय द वे, कॉन्ग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. You are a, deshdrahi admi. You went and you exposed people that there are people from outside who've come into Kalangut area. Congratulations for being a deshdrohi. Congratulations for exposing these people. But kide re? Piso zala re to. You've gone mad re. That's what these people will tell you. But anyways, I take this opportunity in congratulating you. I don't know if you've come out of lockup still, or you're choosing to stay inside. But this is what you get. So if you didn't, I would like to remind you that this is what you get for raising a voice against the government that is doing wrong, that is doing all sorts of nonsense, exposing the people, jeopardizing their lives, etc., etc. This is what you get for raising your voice. Just exactly what Walter has got, this is what you will get. So whoever is planning on raising their voice further, this is a fair warning for you guys, okay? If you're going to raise your voice and you're going to expose people, most probably you're going to get arrested. But if you don't mind getting arrested, please continue. Because this is a disclaimer that goes out to everybody. Anybody and everybody, whoever wants to raise their voice against the government. This somehow, our democracy has stopped working like a democracy. Here we don't have the right to show our dissent. Here we don't have the right to expose our government. Here we don't have the right to speak up against wrongdoing. And that too in the middle of a pandemic. My God. Guys, so as you are seeing, this is the power of observation. Walter Lobo has been arrested with section 188 put against him for exposing the number of scooters and bikes from Maharashtra that were standing outside a hotel in Kalangut area. So, think twice. If you're the scared variety, if you don't have the guts, please think twice before you raise your voice against the government, because that's the clear message that they are sending out to the people by arresting Walter Lobo. I hope you understand that. And going forward, those who still have the guts remaining, please come out and keep raising your voices, keep exposing this government and their stupidity, their greed, their nonsense. Please do so. I am one of them. And Walter Lobo, I am standing with you. I am very proud of you that you got arrested. It's a mark of your being the biggest Desh Bhakt that can ever be. A person who has the guts to go into a lockup because they want to raise a voice against wrongdoing by the government, that is known as real Desh Bhakti. That's not known as Desh Drohi. That's Desh Bhakti, because he wants the best for his people and the best for his country, so that lives are not lost, lives are not put in jeopardy, just the way this government is stupidly doing so. And congratulations, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Congratulations. You know what you've done today by allowing people to come from the outside into Goa in the name of tourism, etc., etc. In Hindi we call it "Aa bail mujhe maar." "Aa bail mujhe maar." You're asking for the bloody bull to come and hit you. So this is what you've done. So guys, please take care. Keep a watch out, because the government is not going to keep a watch out for you. They surely are not going to do it, because they don't bloody care for you. Okay? So as Atmanirbharta was pointed out last night, तुम सब अपना अपना देखो. Everybody each to themselves. Please take care of yourselves, but keep raising your voice, because that is what is needed at this point of time. Because if we do away with that, that is the only thing remaining. That's our safety valve. As citizens of this country, raising our voice is our right, and it's the safety valve in our democracy. If you don't do it, you are doing a and to your fellow country people. And Walter Lobo, I'm signing off for now, but congratulations, man. You might come across as mad to some people as of now, but to me, you're the biggest Desh Bhakt that you could go into a lockup also for what is right, for exposing the government. And thank you so much. God bless you. And I'll see you on the other side, Walter Lobo. I'll see you soon.